Hello dear friends. Welcome back to the Feng Shui Theory channel. I'm Master Paws. And today, we're diving into an incredible cosmic adventure, the Purple Star Astrology Report. Buckle up and let's begin this journey together. Understanding Purple Star Astrology is like having a celestial compass. Picture it like navigating a star-filled sky, where each palace represents life, siblings, marriage, children, wealth, misfortune, travel, friendship, career, property, and luck palaces. In this report, you'll discover 7 comprehensive sections. Section 1. It starts with you. We gather your birth date and time to ensure an accurate, personalized analysis, just like making the perfect cup of coffee. Section 2. We calculates the lunar date and hour based on the input data, as well as identifies your Chinese zodiac sign. Section 3. We look at your 4 pillars chart. These pillars reveal your personality, relationships, and life path, like a snapshot of your soul. Section 4 introduces the Purple Star Astrology chart. Now, this is where things get fascinating. We'll map out the stars within each palace of your chart, showcasing their location and strength. This is the big picture that reveals how these stars interact with each part of your life. And if you're new to Purple Star Astrology, don't worry. We've simplified things by giving each palace a rating based on how the stars influence it, so you can easily understand your chart's strengths and weaknesses. It's like a cosmic report card, but for your life. Section 5. We dig deeper into the interpretation of each palace. Think of each palace as a room in your life's mansion, influencing areas like career, wealth, and relationships. This section reveals how the stars shape these parts of your life. Section 6. Explore your luck cycle based on the Purple Star chart. It's like a forecast of when you'll hit peaks of success or face challenges, helping you navigate life's ups and downs. Section 7. The Palace Rotation chart adds a dynamic twist. For example, when the Children Palace serves as the Life Palace, the Marriage Palace within the Children Palace reflects the general relationship dynamics between the children and their spouses. By diving into this comprehensive Purple Star Astrology report, it's like having a personal cosmic map that lets you navigate life with clarity and confidence. Whether you're curious about your career, love life, or personal growth, the stars have the answers. Explore fengshui-theory.com today and take the first step on your journey to understanding the stars' influence on your life. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give us a thumbs up by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for joining us on this astrological journey. And remember, with the stars as your guide, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Until next time, keep your spirits high and your eyes on the stars. Meow for now.